My name is Peter Carroll. I work for Caddick Construction and I'm a construction manager. I think our industry is full of various problems, and that's what we're there to overcome. There's no real specifics, but there's always issues with clients or time or staff in relation to delivery. It's a global, we cover lots of areas. I think just really with the staff and how we interact with the staff, and also trying to pass on the knowledge and the learning, the positive attitude, again, the empowering people to give them the confidence to take things forward on themselves, and then supporting them with that as well. Positive, motivated, which I think most people on the course were probably there already, but I just think it helps build on that. Yes, I would, yeah.